Hello people and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the best of the best when it comes to crazy moments caught on driver's dashcam. This one is going to be packed with all sorts of epic clips, so make sure to stick till the end and enjoy this one. Driver in a blue car nearly caused two accidents with his slow merge, but luckily it stayed on a close call.
Then she cuts off us and it's gone. Red light means.
Pay close attention at the driver on the right side of the camera. He made up his own traffic rules, since he obviously didn't care about traffic lights or lanes.
Jeez, he cut right in front of me, that fucking car. I have to on camera.
That was my inheritance.
Camera was doing the speed limit here, but not everyone was as careful and respectful when it comes to traffic rules. Check out what this crazy driver did. When drivers don't pay attention at the road markings, there can be a lot of difficulties on the road. After all, the white lines are there for a reason.
Don't do it. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Driver in a Toyota wanted to play a game of brake check with the camera, but it didn't go down quite well with him, and it even came to a rear-end accident. Check out what happened later on.
Typical sleazy fucking politician thing. I live in the Bronx. Yeah, you're pissed. Yeah, no, you fucking idiot! Son of a... You... I saw that comment, it's like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, I said, we're about to see his dad.
I think it's like the third time I heard this song. You can listen to your Spotify if you want. Spotify is Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? We have to go police station. Go police station. Okay. Holy fuck!
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Core and DashCam channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something from the mistakes you saw. After all, these videos are for educational purposes. And if you like what you saw, hit that like button because it means a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open.